What up, YouTube? And we back with another YouTube video. It's been a minute since I picked up the camera, guys. I'm bringing you guys a video from Auxito. They sent me some LED bulbs for the turn signals on the Acura TSX. And of course, I gotta show you guys the chop here. And no, of course, not actually like a chop. It's just parting out my TL. Here's my Type S here if you guys haven't seen. This is my second one. Yes, pull the motor from it. Completely parting this thing out, pull the coilovers, getting this car ready to send it to the scrapyard. Gotta pull the whole dash and all that and put it into the new Type S I got. Here is the bulbs we got for the TSX. I have a promo code for, I believe, 15% off. Go down, press the link. Code will be FastlaneHero, or it'll be on the screen if I changed it. It is 15% off. These are high quality LED bulbs. You go purchase these on their website. They are legit. I would recommend these bulbs. Look at them. I've ordered Amazon bulbs and these look like legit high quality bulbs. And yeah, we're just gonna leave that there and pull in the car real quick so we can get working. Garage getting parted. Here's my new TL right here. I did get the headlights redone. PPF the headlights. That's fully done. Got my blue wheels on here. Got my A-spec, got my hood. We gotta get a lot of stuff done to this car. I'll try bringing you guys all the content as possible once we get the motor swapped. Hey, yo, are those WeatherTech mats? Boy, picked up 4 WeatherTech mats from the junkyard for guess how much? 11 bucks, baby. Junkyards be having steals. Steals of a deal. Homemade exhaust. Woo! That shotty got a leak right on the bottom of my seat. Yeah, guys, we got an exhaust leak, which we gotta fix. It's on the flex pipe. Little bar right there, a little knob for the latch. Go ahead and pick that up. Ooh, it's dusty in here. Here's the TSX motor. I haven't seen this thing in a minute, guys. I haven't been working on the K series a lot. But if you guys seen on the last video, we got the intake installed. It was a colder intake from AEM. I did cut it because I didn't want to deal with water and stuff. That filter is getting dirty, guys. It's gonna have to get clean soon. But yeah, for now, we're just gonna get what we have to get done. Let's stick our hands in real quick. And it's the first one you see right there. I'm just gonna twist this off real quick. Man, that was light work, guys. And then after that, we're just gonna press this button, pull that out. Let's go bring this to the garage and just pull this out. They simply just pull out the socket. We're gonna grab the new LED bulbs. Got the new bulb in. Wow, that looks amazing. Compared to the old one, bro, it looks like some Optimus Prime thing right there. Oh, that is cool. Let's go take this car and install it real quick. All right, guys, it's a little tight fit, I'm not gonna lie. But this has to be the most easiest, cool modification you can do to your car. And go straight into the socket, which is right there. Ugh. And we're just gonna go ahead and just turn it right. And then let's go plug it up. Oh man, there's no way an installation went that smoothly. Left turn signal. Holy smokes. Holy smokes. What? Are you guys seeing this? Did the biggest difference. Guys, it matches the freaking turn signal so nicely. You guys see the difference? This one looks so dull and just so... Ugh. It's so slow. And this one's instant. Wow, that is beautiful, man. Wow. Halogen right there. That is the OEM halogen. That is the new LED Auxito bulb. Auxito, not sure how to say it, but yeah. Holy smokes. Now that is bright. I hope you guys remember, this headlight is absolutely fogged. And look how bright it is compared to the normal halogens. Go check out the link down below for these LED bulbs. A little code right here for you guys to get like a 15% discount, I believe so. Go ahead and check that out. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. video. I got my hands a little dirty trying to do this installation because this car engine bay is so damn dirty, man. Shout out to Auxito for sending me out these bulbs. I love them. I am actually in love with these bulbs. Like, I went through countless Amazon bulbs, LED bulbs, whatever you guys can call it, different brands. These are officially the first brand I've gone to for LED bulbs that don't have hyper flash. Look how slow that's going. And I'm really damn impressed with these bulbs, man. Thank you guys for clicking on the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll be bringing you guys as much content as possible, especially with the TL being all parted out and building the new TL. Try to bring all the content possible out of that car. And I'll see you guys in the next one, guys. Oh, peace out, guys. Deuces.